So hey guys, this is Kevin, and today I'm going back to Growtopia. See? And I'm shirtless. Woo! Party party! Woo! Party party! And as you see, I am going back to Growtopia. So if you have any suggestion of what I'm going to do, please leave it down to the comments below. If you have any ideas. Oh damn, that's my private word. Don't look. So I'm going back. What's this? Can I ask your daughter for the... Oh no, I'm not supported. I'm not supported, Kennedy Dalandana. Go check him out. Go check him out. Search YouTube Kennedy Dalandana and subscribe to my brother. Dance! Dance for me, woman! Dance! He makes funny skits. He makes fun. Shut up! And I will see you guys later. Hope I can see you there. Peace! Right, guys!